Our solar system is made up of the sun and everything else that orbits around it, including planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. The sun is a star at the center of our solar system that is 4.5 billion years old. Like all stars, the sun is a raging ball of burning gas with frequent eruptions called solar flares. Solar flares are giant explosions on the sun that send energy, light, and high-speed particles into space. The sun creates gravity that keeps the planets in orbit around it. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Let's start with the first planet, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the sun. It's a hard rocky ball of iron with no moon. Its surface is covered with craters. It takes Mercury 88 Earth days to orbit the sun. The second planet is Venus. It's the brightest and the hottest of the solar system. Venus is only a little smaller than the Earth, but it spins the other way and much more slowly than the Earth. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. It has no moon, and it takes 225 Earth days to make a complete orbit around the sun. The third planet from the sun is Earth, the only one known to have life. The sun is extremely important for life on Earth, providing the energy that sustains us. The Earth is covered with 71% water and 29% land. The landmasses are called continents. There are 7 continents on Earth: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other ingredients. The Earth's atmosphere protects us from meteoroids, from harmful radiation from the sun, and helps maintain an ideal temperature for life. The Earth makes a complete orbit around the sun in about 365 days, while the moon orbits around the Earth every 27 days. The fourth rocky planet is Mars. Iron oxide gives its rusty red color. Mars has the highest mountains, deepest valleys, and the largest volcano in our solar system. It is dry and cold and has 2 moons. The red planet makes a complete orbit around the sun in 687 Earth days. Let's explore the asteroid belt. Asteroids are rocky, airless worlds that orbit our sun, but are too small to be called planets. These minor celestial bodies are gathered in the asteroid belt, a vast donut-shaped ring between Mars and Jupiter. There are millions of asteroids and a dwarf planet called Ceres. They all orbit the sun within the belt. These rocks are left over from the early formation of our solar system, 4.5 billion years ago. The total mass of all the combined bodies in the asteroid belt is less than that of Earth's moon. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant and the biggest planet. It has a huge red spot larger than Earth, created by a storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. Of all the planets, Jupiter has the largest number of moons, including the biggest. Jupiter has a system of rings that consists mainly of dust. It has the fastest axis rotation, spinning once every 10 hours, and makes a complete orbit around the sun every 12 Earth years. The next planet is Saturn, the second largest gas giant. It has a spectacular ring system made of rocks and ice. Of Saturn's many moons, its biggest is called Titan and is the second largest moon in our solar system. It takes Saturn 29 Earth years to make a complete orbit around the sun. The penultimate planet is Uranus, an icy gas giant. It's the coldest planet and has a turquoise color. Uranus gets its blue-green color from methane gas. Its faint rings are made of dust. Uranus's moons are named after characters taken from the works of English poets William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side, which means it spins horizontally. Uranus makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 84 Earth years. The 8th and final planet is Neptune, another icy gas giant. Neptune is dark, cold, and whipped by supersonic winds. Neptune's winds can be 3 times stronger than Jupiter's and 9 times more powerful than Earth's. Neptune's bright azure blue color is the result of methane in the atmosphere. Its many moons are named for various Greek mythological sea gods and nymphs. Its largest moon is called Triton. Neptune has 6 known rings, and it orbits the Sun every 165 Earth years. Hey, let's not forget Pluto. What is Pluto? Originally considered the 9th planet from the Sun, in 2006, a group of important astronomers decided that Pluto was not really a planet because of its size and location in space. Pluto is now officially designated a dwarf planet. Several other dwarf planets have been identified in our solar system, and scientists believe there may be many more awaiting discovery. Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon and is located in an area of space called the Kuiper Belt. Its largest moon is named Shaun. Pluto is very, very cold and takes 248 Earth years to go around the Sun.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And go check out our new Patreon page and official Discord server.